Today, we're going to be cracking the Wi-Fi password to this WPA2 router.
So before we actually start the hacking, you must know that you have to have a Kali Linux environment. So either a VM or just booting your computer in Kali Linux. And your Wi-Fi driver also has to support Linux. Yeah, if it doesn't support Linux, then you need like a Wi-Fi adapter. You can buy those cheap on like Amazon or Walmart for Linux. So to actually start hacking the Wi-Fi network, you need to begin a set of steps that I have listed. I made a list of commands to follow. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to need to scan for the network. We need to find which network we want. So to do this, I'm going to do airmon ng, or actually, let's put this in sudo. Alright, so airmon ng, check kill, airmon ng start wlan 0. What this command does right here, airmon ng is this scanning networks app, and then this is starting the networks app, and then this is setting the Wi-Fi driver. Now let's actually scan for this. So we do arrow dump ng wlan 0 mon, because doing this changes that into monitor mode. Alright, yeah, we can stop that right now. Okay, so now that it has scanned for Wi-Fi networks, these are all the names of the networks. So I'll try and find mine. Oh yeah, here it is. Don't hack, please. That is my router that I want to attack. Alright? So what we want to collect is the BSS ID, which is the identifier tag for the Wi-Fi network, the channel it's on, so like CH. So right now it's on channel 3. So actually, yeah, let's record that. So it's pretty much the same. Don't hack, please. Channel 3, is that the same BSS ID though? It is. Okay, I don't need to change anything else. It's a pretty common password, weak. Be sure to have strong passwords because this is a dictionary attack. So now we are actually starting the attacking process. I'm just putting the date as the file name. -C for the channel name, or the channel number. So 3, and then -- BSS ID. And then we just copy and paste that. And then just add wlan 0 mon. Alright. So now this is listening for a handshake. Now that it's listening, we can start the deauth process. We'll actually have to open another terminal for that. Type in airplay. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Airplay ng -deauth 0 -a and then the BSS ID, and then yeah, it finishes it for me. wlan 0 mon. Okay, we run this. It starts attacking the network. And because sorry, I made a mistake. Nothing is actually connected to the network, so right now I'm just going to quickly connect my phone to the Wi-Fi network. And you'll see I cannot connect to it because deauth is disconnecting. It is constantly disconnecting my phone from the Wi-Fi network, and it is capturing the signal from the disconnection. Alright, connect. Yeah. So, handshake captured. So we can stop the commands now. Stop the deauth. Yeah, and then here, we're done attacking it. So now it is encrypted, and we need to dehash it. What a hashing is it takes a password and it encrypts it to gibberish, complete gibberish. You can't simply decrypt that gibberish. You need to compare the gibberish with another gibberish. So yeah, compare two encryptions. And if those encryptions are the same, they're the same password. So that's how it checks. So now we actually got to find the file real quick. Well, we call it September 30th. So yeah, this is the file. It'll have a .cap for PCAP. That is Wi-Fi capture thing for it opens in Wireshark. So yeah, we copy that, and then we do airmon, or actually, okay, yeah, we do airmon ng stop. So we got to stop monitor mode, and then we do aircrack -ng name of file, so we can just paste that -w, and then a word list. So user, I actually need to find word list. Give me a second. So user share word lists. All right. Users share / word lists / rocku.txt. All right. So this is the 14 million user password word list. This is the file that it is trying to compare the encrypted passwords to. Then when we click run, it'll start comparing the passwords. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. It already got it. Key found. Password 123. So this was a pretty simple way to do it. There are more skid versions of this. But overall, I could fit the whole thing into this text. Oh, I also forgot to mention, if you can't get your Wi-Fi back working, this is normal. This, like, it turns off Wi-Fi access to scan. How you can turn it back on is you type network manager, just like I have it with the capitals and stuff. It's very specific, and you run that, and you wait, and you should be back online.
Walking in class, taking this